What's up guys, it's Kat. Welcome back to my channel. So essentially the point of today's video is to share habits with you that I have implemented into my own life. Some of them are newer habits and some of them I've been doing for years, and all of them help to keep my home clean and organized and tidy. Fun fact, I just found out that for my full-time job that I work, we are now officially work from home until at least January 2021. So I gotta make sure that I am keeping this place in check because I spend so much time in my condo nowadays, which I love, don't get me wrong. But I think whether you live alone or you live with your family or a significant other or your friends, it's so important to create habits to keep your space clean. Also, this video is kind of a big deal because we're not drinking coffee today, we're drinking kombucha. This is Synergy Raw Kombucha, definitely not saying that right, in the multi-green flavor. It's good, but it's got those bubbles, like the carbonation. When it comes to keeping a space clean, if there is stuff everywhere, you're not even going to think about the actual dirt and dust and all of that because your mind is just going to be focused on the things everywhere and all the clutter that's consuming the space. Habit number one, when you're out shopping and you're, cruising through the TJ Maxx aisle and you see some sort of cute decor piece and you're like, oh, this is adorable. This will be perfect. This is what I need in my home. But before you buy that decor piece, really think about where it's going to go in your home to avoid bringing it back and putting it somewhere. And then it's just, the whole space is going to look more cluttered because you just keep throwing decor pieces on it. You may be thinking, well, when I'm shopping, I can't necessarily picture what every place in my home looks like. So what I recommend doing is that one day after you do a full deep clean of your home and you have everything looking in tip-top shape how you like it, go around and take a picture of each room. That way, when you're in the store and you see a cute decor piece and you can't really think like, is there somewhere where I could put it, or is it just gonna be added clutter in a different space? Go on your phone, look through the photos, and kind of zoom in on different areas and say, okay, well, maybe I can put it here, or maybe I could put it there, or you know what, I don't really have anywhere for it, I'm not gonna buy it, and I'm gonna save my money. To avoid clutter building up in my home is to always have a donation basket by the front door. In this way, if I see a shirt or a decor object that I'm kind of thinking, do I really need it? I think I might wanna donate this. Instead of just putting it back in its place and saying, I'll think about it later, I put it in that decor or donation basket by my front door, and that way when the donation basket starts to get full, I'll just go through it, make sure that I still want to donate everything in it, and then I'll take it to the donation center, drop it off, bring the basket back, and I can start from scratch again. Okay, so I guess there's kind of two parts to this habit. The first one is, you could probably guess, put it away as you go, clean as you go. Walk in the door, take off your shoes, take off your purse, take off your coat, and just immediately put it away. I have this little key hook right when I walk in, so it's super easy to just hang my sunglasses, my coat, my keys, whatever. And a little mindset switch that I never did before, and I recently started doing, and it helps so much, is when I walk in the door, or if I walk by the trash can and I see that it's full, and I'm like, do I really want to take it out now? Not really, I could just put the bag by the door, whatever. I think to myself, come on, Kat. Do it for future you. Future Kat will be very happy with pressing Kat if you take 1 minute to take the trash out, wrap it up, and then put it by the door, so next time you leave, you can just take it and go, and then put a new garbage bag in the garbage can. That way, next time you go to throw garbage out, it's not all the way at the top. Also, another bonus habit is to keep extra garbage bags under your garbage. That way, when you take out the dirty garbage, you just grab it and replace it. So if you feel like just saying, do it now, I have the time, do it now, isn't enough motivation, tell yourself you're doing it for future you, and future you is going to thank you. I said you a lot. This is such a simple one, and I never realized that I don't do this as much as I should until the other weekend when Tim and I were staying at my mom and stepdad's house with my sister to kind of like house sit and dog sit. And Annie, my sister, said to me, why do you keep leaving all the kitchen cabinet doors open? And I was like, I don't know. I don't know. Like I open it up, I take a glass, and then I just don't close it. I just walk away. Or even like my dresser drawers in my bedroom, I'm always like, I'll open it up, take out socks, take out a brush or whatever, and then I just leave it open and I walk away. And it's like, why? But when you have open cabinet doors or dresser drawers, it just looks messy. And it's something so simple that if you always are in the habit of when you open something, when you're done, you close it right away, it's going to make such a difference if you're someone like me and you're always leaving that stuff open. Also, if you are enjoying this video, you should totally consider subscribing and turn on the notification bell so you never miss a video from me. And you can also give it a big thumbs up and follow me on Instagram at Catherine May. Okay, back to the video. Somehow, even though I don't cook that much, the sink always gets filled up with dishes. There are always so many dishes. So a new habit that I'm really trying to implement into my life is start the dishwasher before I go to sleep. And then first thing in the morning, after I've had my coffee, a lot of times while my oatmeal is cooking in the microwave, I will empty the dishwasher. And I definitely don't think Tim and I accumulate that many dishes that we have to do it every single night. So because of that, I always rinse off the dishes before I put them in the dishwasher, because otherwise they'll be sitting there for a while with, you know, food and whatever on them. So I rinse it off, stick it in the dishwasher, and this helps to ensure that the sink and the countertops stay clean and cleared off. And I just think when you walk into a kitchen and the countertops are nice and clear and clean and sparkly, it just, I don't know, puts me in a good mood. Now, this is something I've been doing for years, and like, it wasn't, I don't even know how I started doing it, but it just made sense to me. So I typically like to use one of these Burt's Bees makeup wipe removers every day. So a habit I like to do is after I wipe my face with it, I will then take the other side of the makeup wipe remover and wipe down my surface. So whether that's the glass top on my makeup table or the sink in my bathroom, I will just wipe it down, and it's so quick and easy to do, and it's not like I'm wasting it because I was gonna throw it out after I take my makeup off anyway, so I'm just using the other side to get in some cleaning. Okay, this is a huge one, guys. So this next habit is to get in the habit of having a set laundry day. So once a week, every single week, you're doing your laundry. So for example, if you live with other people, my sisters were telling me, because they both live with my mom and stepdad still, that they have a separate laundry day. So first of all, each of them knows every week, this is the day I'm gonna do my laundry. And it also prevents them from wanting to do laundry at the exact same time and then fighting over it. And something I like to do is have a clothing laundry day and then a towels laundry day. And we don't have to wash towels every week, so we have a decent amount of them. So I'd say like every other Saturday will be my towel washing day, and then every Sunday is our clothes washing day. And then obviously this kind of goes without saying, but get into the habit of as soon as you take those clothes out of your washer and dryer, you are folding them and putting them away. You don't want to let them sit and kind of like just hang out in the basket and then they get all wrinkly. No, as soon as you bring your clothes into your bedroom, fold them and put them away. Oh gosh, guys, this is like one of my new favorites. I am obsessed with this. I actually talked about this specific product in my, I think it was like my top 6 or 7 favorite cleaning products from Amazon. I'll have that video linked in the description if you wanted to watch it. But the amount of times that I would be walking down my hallway and I see like there's like some dust and hair on the, because obviously now I have Callie too, so there's like some fur or something that like crumpled up into a little ball, and I'm like, oh, I don't really feel like grabbing my vacuum and, you know, undoing the cord and plugging it in and then putting it back. And then I would just leave it there. But now that I have my mini cordless vacuum, it's so quick and easy to just grab it, vacuum up with a little bit of dust, and then a lot of times I end up, I'm like, oh, this is kind of fun. And then I go through my whole condo, just, you know, vacuuming up little areas that have dust accumulated. And it's so quick and easy that I end up doing it like, honestly, at least once a day I'm using that thing. And then once a week I'll go ahead and do like a full vacuum with my cord vacuum that's a little bit more powerful on the carpets and all of that. But having a mini vacuum that you can quickly grab, and this is also great for your car, for the bathroom, for under the bed, like it's just so freaking great. Get glass tops for your surfaces where you can. I have like this makeup table that I got from IKEA, and then I got the glass top to go with it. The amount of times that glass top has saved me because I have spilled makeup on it, or, you know, gotten a mascara slash, and all I have to do is take a makeup wipe remover or even just some water and a paper towel and wipe it down, and it comes right off. Versus my old house, I used to have like I just used my wooden desk for my makeup, and if I got some makeup on it, it would stain or it would be so much harder to keep clean. I highly recommend for something like a makeup table, get something from IKEA and then get the matching glass top, because it's going to make it so much easier to keep it clean. If you watched until this part, comment. Keeping it clean with Kat. Isn't that kind of fun? You know, because I'm sharing tips on how to keep your space clean, and I'm Kat, so keeping it clean with Kat. Also, if you are new here, don't forget to subscribe if you're interested in more videos from me. And I think that's about it. So I love y'all so much, and I will see you in my next video.